Hello everyone and welcome to Kiki Crochet. In this video we're going to talk about light. A while ago I received an email from BenQ, a company in Taiwan, asking me if I wanted to review one of their products without of course any payments involved. And I thought to myself that we always pay attention on the yarn, the crochet hooks that we purchase, but never on the lights used, which is one of the most important tools for our craft. We usually work with a center room light or small desk lamps, which create shadows that make it difficult to see the work, and this results to eye strain. And in all that, if we combine the temperature of the light and the color of the yarn, we have a situation that doesn't benefit us. About 2 weeks later, I received my amazing desk lamp. Once I had hold of it, I could tell that this is not a cheap product because even the packaging was of great quality. Here we have the heavy base, which gives great stability, onto which we place the lamp that consists of 2 joints that hold the headlamp, which sits on a bolt joint as well. The lamp has low consumption of only 14 watts and has a 50,000 hour of LED lifespan. In the package we will find the power supply, which has a plug for every possible socket, so even if you move to another country, you can take it along with you. The body of the lamp is metallic and the cable has a quality lining which protects it very well. In reality, nothing in this lamp is cheap. I would like to point out that except from the base, the rest of the lamp comes assembled in the package. The only thing needed to do is take this hex key, which comes along with the product, place the lamp on the base and tighten the screw. A quick tip is once you tighten the screw, turn the lamp a little to the left and to the right, and then tighten again so it sits better on the base. And that's basically all we need to do. The BenQ is very easy to use. It has a ring, which is the on-off switch, but also works as an automatic mode, which I will show you in a bit. It has a rotary switch, which adjusts the color temperature and the levels of brightness. The rotary switch now has 2 modes, as I mentioned. It can adjust the level of brightness, and when you press it down once, you can adjust the color temperature from cold to warm. Something else I'd like to point out is how clear its light is. The light has such great quality that when you have it on cold and place a white yarn under it, it doesn't take that bluish color that LED lights have. It'll definitely be used in my future video tutorials. The lamp has a mode which I've never encountered on other lights before, nor have I ever thought that something like this would be so helpful. It understands the total lighting in the room and increases or decreases the light as needed in order to help and not strain our eyes. It cooperates with the lights that you might have in the room if you have any, and adjusts the light itself. This is called the auto dimming mode. Now if we want to cancel this mode, just turn the rotary switch. In practice now, the word adaptability is the one that dominates when using this lamp. It can take every possible angle, which helps to avoid the reflection in my glasses and the reflection on the TV, which I believe we all watch as we crochet. I can have in the exact spot needed in order to avoid shadows, which we all know it's like a curse, especially when crocheting with dark colors. The BenQ is actually a tool that, because it can be adjusted in many ways, it won't bother anyone else possibly sitting in the same room as you, while at the same time you can have the light you want in the exact spot that you want it. Thanks for watching. You can find more information about the products in the About section of the video and in the pinned comments in the comment section. I would like to give a big thanks to the company BenQ for sending the light in order to review it. I hope you found all the information I shared with you helpful. Thanks again. Bye bye.